Assalamu alaikum 5 class. Today we will learn about future indefinite tense.
The definition of future indefinite tense is future indefinite tense talks about the actions and plans that will going to happen in the future. और उर्दू में पहचान जुमले के आखिर में गा, गी, गे आता है.
The structure of positive sentences is subject plus will plus first form of verb plus object. Like I will go to Murray, he will join a new company, and they will bring gifts. The structure of negative sentences is subject plus will plus not plus first form of verb plus object. Like I will not go to Murray, he will not join a new company, they will not bring gifts. The structure for interrogative sentences is will plus subject plus first form of verb plus object and question mark. Will I go to Murray? Will he join a new company? Will they bring gifts? Some more examples with Urdu translation are she will buy a new dress, वो नया सूट खरीदेगी. Umar will take online class, Umar online class लेगा. Children will enjoy the party, बच्चे पार्टी से लुत्फ अंदोज होंगे. We will make a new plan, हम नया मंसूबा बनाएंगे. Hope so all of you have understood future indefinite tense. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.